Surya Namaskar, Sun Salutation. There are 12 steps in Surya Namaskara. In each pose, we will pronounce a mantra. You should avoid practicing it if you have any issues shown on the screen. This helps in boosting immunity if you practice it regularly. Let's start with mantra. Om हिरण्मयेन पात्रेण सत्यस्य पिहितं मुखं तत्त्वं पूषान्न पौरुनु सत्यधर्माय दृश्ये. Om Mitraయ Namaha. Inhale, bring your palms together in front of your chest in prayer position and exhale. Om Ravaye Namaha. Inhale and lift the arms up and back in pose. The effort is to stretch the whole body up from the heels to the fingertips. Om Suryaya Namaha. Exhale and bend forward from the waist, keeping the spine straight. As you exhale completely, bring the hands down to the floor beside the feet. If you are not able to touch your hands down without bending legs, you can try touching the hands by bending the legs a little bit, later by keeping the hands down to the floor. Om Bhanave Namaha. Inhale and push your right leg back as far as possible. Let the right knee touch the floor and look up. Ensure that the left foot is exactly in between the palms. Om Kagaya Namaha. Take the left leg back next to the right leg. Exhale and lift the hip up to bring the body into an inverted V pose. If possible, try and keep the heels on the ground and make a gentle effort to lift the tailbone up, going to deeper into the stretch. Om Pushne Namaha. Gently bring your knees down to the floor. Take the hips back slightly. Slide forward. Rest your chest and chin on the floor. Raise your posterior a little bit. The two hands, 2 feet, 2 knees, chest and chin should touch the floor. You can breathe normally while in this pose to begin with. As you master, you should try to hold your breath while in this pose. Om Hiranyagarbhaya Namaha. Inhale and slide forward and raise the chest up into the cobra pose. You may keep your elbows bent in this pose with shoulders away from your ears. Look up. Om Mariche Namaha. Exhale and lift the hip up to bring the body into an inverted V pose. If possible, try and keep the heels on the ground and make a gentle effort to lift the tailbone up, going to deeper into the stretch. Om Adityaya Namaha. Inhale and bring your right leg forward and place exactly in between the palms if possible. Let the left knee touch the floor and look up. Om Savitre Namaha. Exhale and bring the left foot forward. Keep the palms on the floor if possible. Touch your head to knee by keeping the legs straight. Om Arkyaya Namaha. Inhale and roll the spine up. Raise the hands up and bend backward a little bit, pushing the hips slightly forward. Om Bhaskaraya Namaha. Exhale and bring your palms together in front of your chest in prayer pose and exhale and back to Sithila Tadasana. This completes one set of Surya Namaskara. Now perform same with left foot. Once done, you will finish one round of Surya Namaskara. You can slowly increase the count. Ensure that you are doing correctly. You would have seen by now it covers multiple asanas with breathing rhythm. Namaste.